there is strong. Then, there is MTI Strong. The largest network of heat treaters in the world.
Hello members, I'm Tom Morrison. Welcome to another edition of MTI TV. You know, with all the talk about Obamacare and the Affordability Care Act, business and workers' compensation insurance kind of gets swept under the carpet, yet it is a pretty good expense for many of our members. With a typical heat treat plant dealing in heavy lifting, forklifts running around, and chemicals and fire flying around everyone, the risk of accidents are everywhere. How you insure those risks could be the difference of an accident closing your doors or you staying open. Today we have with us Jacklyn Johnson from Sentry Insurance, MTI's official business insurance consultants, here to share some of the keys of properly insuring your company. Jacklyn, welcome to MTI TV.
Thank you, Tom. Thanks for having me.
Jacklyn, first let me thank you for being one of MTI's longtime preferred service providers. I know members across America are insured with Sentry, and we greatly appreciate you being a part of our industry support team. Jacklyn, one of the key elements of being insured by Sentry is your group has an entire division that specializes in metal treating companies. Is that correct?
Well, we have a focused approach to who we insure, allowing us to specialize our coverage, employee benefits, and risk management services. We have a dedicated team of claims experts. We have a team of professional safety consultants to guide customers through risk scenarios, regulatory demands, and training or program gaps. We also have a knowledgeable team of agents who work only for Sentry. This means they're specifically trained in industries we serve, giving them the expertise to help metal treating companies develop an insurance program designed to fit their needs.
When looking at the heat treating industry, what are some of the key risks members want to pay attention to?
Well, managing risk in the heat treating industry can be challenging. Some of the key areas that we see as vital to the safety success of a company include employee safety and property protection. Employee safety is a big part of Sentry's consultation with our policyholders and is always a strong theme in the heat treating industry. Companies that are proactive in developing and managing a safety culture typically see less claims and overall expenses. A quality operation receives favorable pricing because the probability of a claim is lower than an operation that overlooks the importance of having a safe working environment. Even more costly to business owners can be the hidden costs of an accident. Insurance covers the direct costs, but there are indirect or hidden costs that are overlooked. Interrupted productivity, lost time and revenue, recruiting and training costs to hire new employees, and most importantly, customers may leave because of delays. These all can impact the bottom line of a company. So to help employers control these risks, Sentry's can help establish a strong safety culture company-wide. When it comes to property protection, ongoing preventative maintenance of the overall building, electrical systems, and process machinery is so important to reduce the potential for unwanted events like fires, equipment breakdown, and employee injury. Taking time to evaluate and define a strong maintenance program can go a long way to protect a business and its employees. One property protection strategy that Sentry has is the use of infrared camera technology to identify temperature variations or hotspots in electrical system components. We decided to do this after seeing an unusually high number of building fires in 2011. After we concluded an internal study, we found some culprits like older buildings with electrical systems that weren't upgraded or maintained. By using infrared technology proactively, we can help our policyholders identify potential components in need of repair or replacement. We can reduce the risk of fires or equipment breakdown, which can devastate a business.
Talk to me about the biggest mistakes your team sees in the area of claims. What's lacking in the area of prevention?
Well, a major oversight we see companies make in the claim handling process is not working proactively to get injured employees back to work, even on a limited basis. Actively managing this process can reduce medical and indemnity costs. Employers should encourage the employee to get back to being a productive team member, even if not on full duty. The heat treating industry has seen a lot of different types of claims, with employee injuries topping the list. One area that companies may fall short in is developing a self-inspection process. Many regulatory standards require documentation and ongoing attention. Completing monthly documented inspections can help achieve both compliance and reduce accidents. By inspecting conditions, equipment, and identifying hazards that need correction before they become a claim, heat treaters can feel confident their self-inspection program works. There are other less obvious claims we see that can be significant. One that comes to mind is a damage caused to a customer's product from processing mistakes. These claims occur less frequently, but can cause large claims and impact the company's reputation and strain existing customer relationships. Quality control is so important to making sure the process is completed correctly and done right the first time. It starts with those documented procedures to be sure the customer, your management, and the operators are all on the same page as to what treatment the products need.
I know Sentry has a pretty significant safety training department. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Sentry has a team of safety consultants located throughout the United States. They have hundreds of years of combined safety experience with very diverse backgrounds, including industrial safety and hygiene, engineering, and manufacturing. Many of our consultants are certified safety professionals. Additionally, we also have developed an online safety resource that contains safety documents and training resources such as regulatory standards, compliance, and best practices for business owners. We also offer a learning management system so policyholders can do online, one-on-one employee training. This is great for companies that may not have a full-time safety coordinator and don't feel they have the expertise to do the training in-house. These training modules are designed to hold interest and test the trainee's knowledge of the concepts covered in each lesson.
Jacklyn, again, we thank you and Sentry for all your support and service to our members. Thanks for being with us today on MTI TV.
Thanks again for having me, Tom.
Members, having an expert in the world of insurance on your team that understands how your business works is key to getting underwriters to provide you the most competitive premium for your insurance risk. Sentry's nationwide group of agents and the metalworking division is there to help you maximize the safety in your plant and lower your business and workers' compensation premiums. If you'd like more information on Sentry coverages and their quoting process, contact Jacklyn Johnson at Sentry Insurance. As one of the industry support team members of MTI, Sentry is committed to providing members with excellence in product and service. And remember, there's strong and then there's MTI strong. See you next time on MTI TV.
There is strong. Then, there is MTI strong.